Hey gang, Puppy here. See that? That's a new camera. It's supposed to be really special and all that. Highly polished turd. All it's good for is connecting by USB to this computer over here and giving me a image I can capture with sound. All other features are... The newest operating system it was made for is Vista. Yeah, My wife paid 21 bucks for it. It connects to that computer by a cord and I can capture a picture on it. The next video after this one shows you images I captured on it. I'll post from 2 different computers. Okay?